Welcome to another Contego video. We wanted to give some additional information on Teams since we seem to get some really good feedback from the last one. So far, we talked about Teams and recording and using your Teams to connect with people outside your organization. Today we're going to more focus on people within your organization and some of the tools that are just built into Teams. I wanted to talk first of all about social connecting and making sure we do that in this time of social isolation. We want to talk about meeting notes and how to use them, and Teams whiteboards, because if you're like me, you've missed your whiteboard and being able to stand up in a meeting and draw something. So those are the topics for today. I wanted to start by talking about we're talking a lot about social distancing these days, and I think what we really mean is physical distancing and how do we keep connected socially. We're used to talking to our coworkers across the hallway, across the other side of the cubicle, and having that interaction every day, and we don't get to do that when we're working remotely. So I'd encourage you to use meeting times. Start with just a time to connect, and if you let people start connecting into your meeting, spend the first 5-10 minutes even just reconnecting, seeing how people's weeks are going, seeing what challenges they're running into, and how they're doing and how they're handling this situation. The first thing I wanted to show you this morning was in meeting notes. Meeting notes, you just click on the three dots on the Teams bar and you click on Show Meeting Notes. The meeting notes will show up on the right hand side. You can actually come in and pre-edit your meeting notes, open your meeting even a few days before, put in your meeting notes and close it back down, and those meeting notes stay with your meeting so you can come back later and all of that is pre-populated so you're not wasting meeting time. One thing to note that the meeting notes are only for the presenter and they don't show up to the general staff. For whiteboard sharing, it's quite an easy process. You click on your share screen button, and if you look on the right hand side, you should see whiteboard application. That's an option there. Just click on that and away you go. We are now looking at the whiteboard application. It's just a standard application with pens, erasers. I've already doodled a little diagram on here. If you're like me, you like to walk into a boardroom and pick up a pen and express your thoughts in pictures rather than words. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, and this app shows you the value of that. One thing I really like about meeting notes is that you can actually keep them on the side even when you're screen sharing. You can be screen sharing another application or the whiteboard application and have them both appear on the same page. Then you get the full picture of what's being discussed. Things to remember from today: take time to meet with your staff like you would in the office. Take these chances for social interaction. And also to remember that those notes and those whiteboards, those images stay with your meetings. So even if you go back weeks later, you should still be able to find them. Thanks for watching today. Please reach out if you have any questions. Thanks.